Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to add different transition effect in our video. In our media bin tab, we already added 2 images and 1 sample video. We just drag 2 images in our timeline. Let's play. When you go one image to another, there is no effect. To make this more realistic and professional, we add transition effect between 2 images. To add transition effect, go to Transition tab. We select Type All, that's why we see all of our available transition effect. Now we add fold transition between 2 images. To add this transition effect, simply drag this and put it here. Here we successfully added fold transition effect between 2 images. Let's play. Here we see some green portion. If we want to modify this transition effect, for example, if we want to play this transition effect slower, we just scratch it. Now play. In the same way, if we want to add this transition effect faster, we just scratch it down. Not only that, we can add different type of transition from the beginning of this image or video, or we can add transition effect in the end of this image. Now we add a random transition effect at the end of the image, and we add fade transition from the beginning of this image. From the media bin tab, we add another video, and from the transition tab, we add diesel transition from the beginning of the video. Let's play the whole track now. So in this way, we can easily add transition effect in our photos or videos. Usually, I use transition effect at the beginning and at the end of my video. Sometimes I am speaking for a long time, or if I am talking a mistake or something and I want to cover it up, I will put in a transition. You can use any of these transition effects, whatever you want. Thanks for watching.